What's up? Ito na. December 31. Today is the day. Sige. Before we say goodbye to 2023. Yeah. So, nakahanda to natin rin, no? Ayan. Nakaprepare na ito. Ano pala? New Year's Eve. O, no? Medianoche. Yan. Sige. So, mamaya ang papakita yun na niluto pa kaya. Yan. Pero, one step ahead. Pero, nagluluto yung mga ate. Yan. Tapos si nanay. Yun. Tapos si titimpla yan. O kung ano-ano yan. Sasalubungin ng 2024. Yun. Tingnan nyo. Naka-prepare natin. Yan. In the end, it doesn't even matter. I have to fall to lose it all. In the end, it doesn't even matter. One thing I don't know why. It doesn't even matter how hard I try. Keep the mind and decide to try to rise it up. Try so hard. Despite the mocking me. I feel like the spoiling property. Remembering all the times you fought with me, I surprised you, Jack. So, things are the way they were before. You move anymore. Back then, all comes back to me. In the end, get everything beside you. I try so hard. What you do is to feel sadness. So hard and got so far. In the end, it doesn't even matter. I had to fall to lose it all. In the end, it doesn't even matter. I put my trust in you, as far as I can go. For all this, there's only one thing you should know. I put my trust in you, push as far as I can go. For all this, there's only one thing you should know. I tried so hard and got so far. In the end, it doesn't even matter. I had to fall to lose it all. In the end, it doesn't even matter. Yon. Lapit ito ng bagong taon na mag-prepare pala to. Yan. Oh. Luto pa oh. Nasisimulan turutot na. Yan. Yan. So, kakain tayo. Pero mini gutom yan. Sige. Yun, nakababa na ako. Yan. Nakaluto ni mama to ay
Menudo.
menudo. Yan. Sige. Nakain na to ah. Maingay na sa labas oh. May turutot sa labas oh. Iingay ako. Sige. Yan. Pa-shoutout naman. Yan. Power. Yan. Tapos, pero mamaya hating gabing yun. Palamon. Narinig ko.
Ay.
Hulog yung cellphone mo.
Sorry. Nakinabahan ako. Malapit na ng New Year countdown, no? Yan. Sige. Yun. Pero mamaya na 11:30. Ayun. Pag 12 midnights yan. Sige. Magbinway na tayo. Yun. Makapasa daw 11:30. Manonood yung mga sa labas. Sige. Yun. Yan. Ayun o, nakita yung mga bata o, yung kakaroling parang ano, yung pusa o aso naputukan na. Yan. Sana all may fireworks oh. Yan. Oh, nakahanda ko na yung turutot oh. Sige. Yun. Excited ako. Yan. Ang laki niya ba? Makikinabahan ako. Pero, yan. So, turutot yung mamaya. Doon na natin sa labas. Sige. Meanwhile tayo. Sige. Tatayo sa labas. Sige. Yun o. 10 minutes na lang. 11:50 na. Sige. Magpa-party tayo. Yun. Woo! Okay lang. Ano? Yan. Dito pa. I want you to rotot.
Doon. Nagkaputokan.
Saan?
Yan o. Ay, ba't wala kang sleepers?
Wala eh. Hoy.
Sleepers mo na. Maraming tutok.
Oh. Yan. Na-excited ako. Yan. Yun. Sige.
Oy, si iPad o. Vlog o.
Yes. Yun. Tower. Palamon. Yun. Before we say goodbye to 2023. Yeah! Yun. 1 minute na lang. 1 minute. 1 minute. Yun. Sige. Yan. Yun na. 20 seconds na lang. Magpapala mo na 2023. Sige. Let's go. Ito na. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year! 2024!
2,000 years later.
Yun! Happy New Year! Happy New Year!
Ano yan?
Yun! Lakas! Ang lakas sa loob, oh! Yan! Yun! Like and subscribe! And like and kakay, pause ka pa rin! Ano? Yan! So, kakain na tayo! Yan! Mukbang tayo! Sige! Enjoy! Happy New Year!
Huwag naman yung buong pagkain yung kuberan mo. Tama na yung...
Shanghai. Pansit. Chicken. Fiesta ham. Menudo. Yun. Hello, 2024. Pero, Tapos tayo ng 2023, ano? Kasi New Year's na New Year eh. Yan. Pero nakasayang ng good health. Pero ito, on behalf ng Pamakabangang family, yan. Like and subscribe sa YouTube. Sige. Bye. Palamon. Bye.